Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to this session whereby yesterday we had to handle item 1 and we completed it with all these files in one folder, that is item 1. So today we are gonna start or kick off with item 2. We're gonna right click and create a folder, subfolder, that is item 2. We open it. Then we're gonna come and look at the support file and see what is inside in item 2. So these are the files in item 2. The first step is to always copy whatever in item 2, most especially images, and paste them in your item 2 folder. That is from the support file to your folder. So we're gonna highlight all this, we copy them and paste them in item 2. So all files from the support file have been pasted in item 2 of our folder. So we no longer need the support file for now. So once you're done with this, so this is our item 2 subfolder. So let's first put them at large, or even we can expand the view to extra large so that we see all these folders, all the images we're gonna use. So once we're done with this, so we go back to our scenario. Remember, we are looking at this ICT UMTA, that is your level, Uganda Certificate of Education, paper 2, practical. We are done with item 1 because we handled it very well. Then right now we're gonna look at item 2, that is Technova Electronics Limited is a newly established company that sells modern electronic gadgets such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, smartwatches, headphones, and digital accessories. Currently, the company makes the small profits because customers must visit the shop physically to access products, make inquiries, and give feedback, limiting customer engagement. The company intends to expand its market by creating an online presence where customers can explore products, compare gadgets, and communicate with the sales team. So, having discovered that you have got some knowledge of ICT, they have contacted to develop an interactive platform that will meet the needs of a company. Support documents helping these are provided in the UCE support files. The task is develop for them an online interactive digital platform for Technova Electronics Limited to promote its services and improve customer interaction. So this is a piece of a cake, because they have been actually direct according to the scenario. Definitely they don't want an offline publication, they just simply need a website. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to see how we can really manage this by coming up with a simple website. Here we go. So we're gonna look at our folder. These are the items or the files they are provided us with, and we're gonna come and open the company file profile, so we look at it. So this is the company profile. This is what they want to put in their website, so we need to always plan to manage it well. We're gonna use this information and the images, so they have simplified our work, because you don't need to use too much knowledge, you just need to implement those steps very fast. First of all, we need to come up with, according to the company profile, we need to know how many pages you're gonna come up with. According to me here, we are gonna need a home page. That is a must, of course. A home page, it is a must, and it's already fast. Then we're gonna also need, according to this information here, I can see that we're gonna need contact us page also, where we need to indicate the location and contacts of the company, and we're gonna need the showroom page, where we need to display all these gadgets, smartphone, laptops, and tablets. So basically, you don't need much. Like 3 pages enough for now. You can create more, but for now, let's handle on the 3 pages. That is the home page, contact us page, and showroom page. So here we go. So we're gonna come here and try to activate or open what we call the web expression 4, and that's the one of the best programs, or what I can say, those are one of the best website programs which you can use. I'm gonna come and click on site here, then come to new site. So here we are starting our website. I'm gonna come and look at, I'm gonna browse, because I'm gonna browse here where I want my files should be. Let me come and click on the desktop. I click on James Faisal item 2. I open it. So that's where I want my website to be saved. So I click OK. So this is already here. So once that is done, I'm gonna come and rename the page. This default.html, I think you can see it. I'm gonna rename it to home. I just need to remove only this default. I put home. So I type here home. It's better with small case or lowercase. I type home. Then I enter. I say yes. So I'm gonna tap on it, open it. So here we are. So I'm done with all my first page, that is the home page. I'm done with it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with creating at least one row and one column. I'm gonna insert my stuff. So I can just come here. Let me first write the body, the heading. Let me come to our folder. I first copy this data. This one taking over. Let me first copy it. Let me come and paste it here. So I'll paste this here. As you can see, I can put it in the center there. I can bold it. I can increase its font like 36. I can give it a different font style, maybe elephant. I can give it a color. I'm so much interested in red. So if you see that this size is not really big enough, you can come to split. This is our design. You can split the page. You come here. You come to our code. We are looking at XX large here. It's actually font size. Let's try to put some here. We see. Yeah, that's not bad. come here, we can also increase the size to it also. You can come here and you will also try to increase the class large most 50 points height. Yeah, heading 1. Let me try to remove XX large here. I put around 80. Yeah, so I've removed that. I was trying to make this, I wanted it bigger like this, taking over Electronics Limited. Yeah, to work for me, so I can come back here to our design. So once that's done, the next thing I would like to do here is to come up with I can come up with all the pages we're gonna use here. So I'm gonna come and insert a table. I can name it this one row, and it'd be like 3 columns. Yeah, the purpose for these columns, I'm gonna put all the pages we're gonna use. So we're gonna use the home page, we're gonna use the contact us page, we're gonna use the showroom page, yeah. So we can try to board them. I can try to increase them in size still. Yeah, there. Them being the center like that. Mm, 24, can be there, like that. Yeah, those are going to be our page, or what we call our pages, our links actually. I can try to, no, let me first leave them for now. So another thing I can look at here, let me see, tagline, innovation at your fingerprint. So we can copy this. We copy it, we can come and paste it here. Yeah, we can just paste it here as our tagline. So we can also increase it in size. We can increase the size also. Can give it a color, maybe blue. Yeah, let it be underlined. Yeah, we can give it highlight color, maybe that. So we can try to give it a mark. Yeah, let's try to put a mark here. Let's try to close the mark. So let's try to save the changes. Let's try to think the McQueen is running. So that's done. Then from there we're gonna come here. We're gonna put the mission. Is ours. So we're gonna come and put the mission here. This should be at the home page. So we're gonna copy and paste this here. So it's our mission, and we can also try to bold it and increase its font. That is it. Or we can make it a bit largest. So from there you can try to insert some pics. Let's create another table here. You can have one row and maybe say like 3 columns. Then click OK. So we can come in our support file here. We choose some pics. You can select this. You can copy it. I wish to use this one, but I need to format it. It is when I look at it, its format is different. So I'm gonna come to edit. Edit with the paint. Let me open it with paint. I first change. Let me save it as JPEG. Yeah, so it is saved. So I'm gonna use this one. It's better to use JPEG kind of photo formats. As you can see, so this one can be used. Always check that. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna paste this one there. No, the properties of the pics. So I click OK. You can see that it's too big. So how do we change this? So we're gonna right click, and then you come to picture properties. You come to appearance. You give it a reasonable size, maybe it is 1500, but now we can just give it at only 500. We see this how this is gonna be. Yeah, I think that's a reasonable size. Then we can come here. We try to insert another pic. You can reduce it if you can reduce it later, but let's add another photo. Let's see this one. That's EFF has a problem, so let's try to copy it also. We can paste it in. So you right click here and paste. Okay, this is too small. We can increase also its size. Come to picture properties. According to the format, we can also give it 500. We see it's gonna be. So it's also big, you can see. So we're gonna come here, we also insert any other pic. Since we are not dealing with only phones, so we can look for any other gadget here, maybe this or this or this. So let's look for any other, maybe this desktop. So you can come also paste it here. Click OK. I can try to also increase its size of appearance to 500. Okay, I think they are all of the same size, as you can see. So once that is done, so here you can try to add more content. Down here you can come and let me see which is the information we need here. So we're gonna skip that, we skip this, skip that. At least working hours should be on our home page. So we're gonna copy this. Working hours, yeah, this one should be on our first page. So I'm gonna copy that. Then I can come and paste the working hours here. I can increase the font. Maybe to that. So I need more information. Let me look at any other information which is at least should be on the first page. Yeah, even here I have emphasized current promotions. So the current promotion should also be at the home page. So you need to consider that also. Copy. You can come and paste that here. So you can just delete this. Just leave current promotions. So we can also try to highlight this. We come and bold them. We can size. We can also include the font, maybe too large. Then we can bold this as well. You can size it. You can also increase, maybe extra right there. So I think this is good to go. So now another thing we're gonna do here, we can try to change the page color so that we give it a different color. Let's change it to come to formatting. So we can just select any color here. Let me use this pink and click OK. If it is shouting, you can try to look for another color. Come to formatting here and look for more colors. Look for this one which is a bit light. I think this is okay. This is better. Yeah, let's leave it at that. You try to change it with time. I think we needed to create more pages. But now, because we have home, contact us, and showroom, and I need to hyperlink them. I need to hyperlink these pages also. So how do we insert more pages? We're gonna come here. We save all the changes so for now we have made. Click on this one. So we're gonna come to new page. I'm just gonna click there. So we just save this as contact us. Just save it like that. Save it. Then you come and click here. We get another page here. We just save it as showroom. So here they are saved direct to our folder, so don't worry about that. It's saved direct, so we click that showroom. So once that's done, so the next thing is to hyperlink this. So I'm gonna click at home, highlight it, come to hyperlink here. To take me here, click at home, and I click OK. So you can see that it has changed the color to blue. I come to contact us, hyperlink, contact us, which is open, then I click OK. Okay, so hyperlink has changed to blue. Come here, contact us, showroom, come to showroom, I click on each one is open, I click OK. That's all. And it is already open. It's already hyperlink now. So we're gonna look at our codes, the links which are. So we're gonna come, save all, then we come to our split so that we see how we have done this. So these are our links. So we're gonna remove only this HTTP, we leave at that. So we save the changes. Here we go. So our page is done. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to copy all this, what we have done here for now, paste them to another page. So for now I'm gonna come and highlight all, copy, come to contact us, I first paste everything there. I come to showroom, I first paste everything there. So that we have data on all pages. We have data on all what? Pages, and all pages are hyperlinked, as you can see. So to first get the difference, I'm gonna come and change contact us color to another color, page color. Then we come to page properties, I come to formatting, I try to look for another color, maybe this, I click OK, let me change it to that. So we have given it another color, let's contact us so that you can see the difference. I come to showroom, also I come to showroom, I change this color to maybe, let me leave it at default, that's white automatic, click OK. This one let it be at on white, actually. So I save the changes. So when you come here, this home page, contact us, and this is the showroom. So another thing which is important here, you're gonna come here and contact us, try to look at the pages, okay. Come to showroom, split look at these are all codes which are being done. You guys are programmers. You're really programmers. So let's look at everything is okay. So I save that. So you come back to design here. So you come back to design here. So what we're gonna put here, what's supposed to be in the contact us. So that's what we're gonna do here. What's really supposed to be in what? In the contact us. So according to the direction of our document here, you saw that here there is some contacts and location. So that's what we're gonna fix in the contact us page. So this is, you're gonna just highlight all this data here without wasting my time. We copy it, we come in our page, that is contact us page. We highlight all what is here and we paste this, which we have just copied from the other side. So this is the contact us data. This is the contact us data, which is here. So we're gonna come and highlight all this. We try to bold it and try to increase its size to make it large. Yeah, so the context and everything is clear. So this is on contact us page, as you can see. Yeah, that's what we need. Then we come to the showroom. We look at the data which they want us to put there. So we are done. This data is put right up there. So we are done that. We are done that. So I think this is not. This is the showroom now page. And with the showroom, we're gonna display. We're gonna copy all this information the way it is. All these tables actually. We're gonna copy all them. That data we come and we go to our page, that is showroom. It's right there. So we come here. We highlight all this. Then we paste ours. So this is all the data we have copied from the side. Now we pasted it here in our page. Then from there, you can come and try to, this is our data here. So we can also come here to look at the last content, that is frequent last questions. It would have been on another page for inquiries, but we can still add this. We would have created another page for inquiries, but let's just add this info on what we call a showroom page, so that we save some time. So we're gonna paste this there. That is the frequently asked what questions. So you can remove this. We can space bit. You can also try to. So we can try to increase the font size. You can try to also increase the. You can put that large. So that is also in our page. Now see, this is the showroom. You can try to add some more pics. So under this we can add you can start below. search a row below. You see search row below, yeah. So inside this row, I can try to add here. Let me try to add something. Come to insert. You come to a folder here. You get something like smartphone, like this one. I'm gonna copy this. Then I come to our page. I try to paste it. Click OK. So with smartphones, we got something like this that is under the product. So you can also come and put one more product here if you want. So that's the phone. So we can add another phone here. Maybe this. Yeah, I like this phone. Also add it there. As usual, just come picture properties, reduce the appearance to any reasonable size, maybe 300. Even here you can resize, no problem. You can resize manually here. So once that's done, so that was smartphones. I can also scroll down here. I'm seeing laptops here. So I can just right click here, insert row below. I come under product here. I can come and copy anything like laptop here. I right click this. So I come and paste. Yeah, paste this there. Definitely our laptops are there. We can try to increase its size a bit since we are in the show. Yeah, that is okay. So tablets, we can come here, we insert a row below. So I can come here. We can get a tablet here. You can do this. I copy this, I just come and paste it here. Click OK. It's already there, so also increase its size around there. So smartwatches, do you have any watch? Let me check the pics. Either we have any watch here. Yeah, no watch. So we can ignore that. You come to headphones. I'm not seeing any headphone. So since I've seen other digital accessories, so we can use this one. Insert row below. We can add here the accessories like this computer. We can add it there. Can increase its font. We can come here, we add another device here, like the woofer. You can also right click here and paste. The reason why it has display like that had to be converted to JPEG, so Its format is not good. It is the HTML document format, so I'm going to right click on it. I come to open it with Paint. I first convert it. I'm going to convert it from there to save as the JPEG first. And I save. So it is saved. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to copy this now and paste it there. So here we are. So hoof is now already there, as you can see. So that is our showroom. There are many to display, but due to time factor, I think that's gonna be enough. So don't forget to click this save all. So I click on it. So I think my website is complete. I just need to go and show you the work I've done. So this is our pages here. As you can see in my folder now, I have 3 pages. I have the contact us page, I have the home page, and I have the showroom page. So I'm gonna go to showroom. Let me open it with Google Chrome. Here we are. Here we go. Our queue is already here running. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. It looks beautiful, man. So home page is here, contact us page is here, showrooms here. So I'm gonna go and tap on contact us. Here we are. You guys, really good. So that's our contact us page. As you can see, that's what we've done. Switch I come to showroom. Oh my god, mashallah. Here we are. So our showroom is here. Our phones, smartphones, laptops, tablets are there, smartphone digital accessories are there, yeah. Maybe you are coding to add another tablet here. You can go and fix it. I can show that we can already change things here. So you can just come back and just add that in the showroom. I just come breakfast here. We add another gadget which is missing here. So I'm just gonna come here in our folder. This one you can also add it there. You come here, right click on it. You come to our form below, paste it there. Click OK. Here we are. So it is also added there. So here what I need to do just is come here and save the changes. I come here to my pages. That's website. I just refresh this. I think you can see that. So we are ready to go. Oh my god. Wow. Thank you guys for your time. We'll meet in our next more lectures. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.